Okay guys, this is the first ring and here's the second ring. You can see that it's a tiny mark, it's an end mark in here. That one is a top. So we put the second ring, we check the gap. Okay, you can see in here gap. That one should be in second ring is a 30. So okay. Go to the first ring. That one also is a mark in here, the end mark. That one should be in the 40. So right. Okay guys, we're going to put back in the piston rings. I use my filler gauge. Okay, first I put the second ring. You can see the mark in here, end mark. That one's the top. So just very carefully. This can break easily. Okay, you can see the end mark in the top. Now I put the first ring. That one also the little tiny mark in here, it's the end. Okay, see the second ring, first ring. Now I have to put back the oil ring. Okay, this oil ring is no mark. You can see in here, no any mark, the both sides. Okay. Okay, now we have to put this the gap like a cross type. One is here, and this one you have to turn to opposite side. In here, the oil ring also, one side this side, one is this notch this side. All good. Okay guys, we already put the piston rings. All good. So now we're going to install to the motor. Okay guys, we're going to install the number 1 piston. Let's go like this way. You can see here's the number 1. So we need two like this for the scratch for the piston rings. So first I put a little bit oil. Okay, you can see this side, and piston going like this way. All good. After that, we turn the motor. A little bit oil. So here the last one, number 4. All good. Okay, this bolt have to put the 19 Newton meter. So after that we need some angle torque and have to put the 90 degrees. So in here, put that down. $90. So we're going to install the balancer. Okay. So first step is the 40 Newton meter. So first right. After that 90 angle torque, 90 degrees.